Yesterday, it was a weekend, but we spent some time to advance our video insights into the whole issue of financial literacy and, of course, creation of wealth. And yesterday we delved at length on the subject of sole proprietorship, and we tried to shed some light in terms of how you spread your investment as an individual and the benefits and, of course, the costs or the disadvantages that you incur when you invest your savings as an individual. Today, we take the discussion further and move into a joint venture. And the joint venture in business language is called partnership. So you can put your savings and invite relatives, one or two, to also put their savings so that you can be able to invest together. In such kind of an arrangement, we are talking of a joint venture or we are talking of a partnership. The partnership can be made of relatives, can be made of friends, or can be made of colleagues. Quite a number of people have tried to go to partnership. One of the advantages of partnership is to have resources pulled together. So the capital base for starting your investment becomes a little bit bigger than when you invest alone as an individual. The Swahili have got their own saying. They say one finger cannot crush a lice, and therefore many fingers can do a good job, or at least two fingers can crush a lice. This saying adds value to the discussion that we have, that your savings may be too little to be able to make significant impact in the investment portfolio that you want to run into. But when you invite a second person, a third person, fourth person, etc., you invest together, then it becomes very easy for you to grow your wealth faster. One, because of the pooled capital. Two, because of the diversity of ideas that the other members bring into the investment decision. So it is important for us to decide whether we will invest alone, but will invest as a group, depending on the cost-benefit analysis. What advantages do you get when you invest alone, and what advantages do you get when you are in a joint venture? Of course, a joint venture will require you to do more than just investment, and one of the critical things is for you to be able to craft together with your partners a joint agreement, an agreement that will shed light in terms of the contributions, how much does each contribute, and in terms of whether when you get benefits or profits, how the profits will be shared, but also when you incur losses, how the losses will be shared. That's the challenge of most partnerships, in terms of how you share benefits and in terms of how losses are being shared. But quite a number of business